In a commendable effort to promote menstrual hygiene and break taboos surrounding menstruation, the NCC Cadet Corps, in collaboration with Pinky She Foundation, conducted a sanitary pad distribution drive on 28th of May 2024. The event aimed to raise awareness about menstrual health and provide essential sanitary products to underprivileged women and girls in the society. The initiative is a part of a broader campaign by the NCC and Pinky She Foundation to improve the health and well-being of women and girls in marginalized communities. During the drive, the NCC girls of GCW Udhampur distributed sanitary pads and educated the recipients on the importance of menstrual hygiene, proper usage, and disposal of sanitary products. As we navigate through the narrow alleys and crowded streets, we meet the faces behind the crucial initiative. NCC volunteers, often women themselves, break the stigma and taboo surrounding menstruation to ensure that their sisters, daughters, and mothers have access to a basic necessity that many take for granted.
Menstruation Hygiene Day is on 28th of May, and to commemorate this day, our NCC cadets and the ANO of this college, Kamaldeep Kaur, will be going out and reaching out to the villages. Rishi Foundation New Delhi has given us 100 packets of sanitary napkins to be distributed to the adjoining villages, which GCW Udhampur has adopted. Its basic theme is, and our agenda is, that women in rural areas should not feel embarrassed or shy away from the use of sanitary napkins or talk about their menstruation health. Mental health for women is very important, and the college is going to make an outreach to people even in the remotest area having traditional values to break free.
Menstrual hygiene is a fundamental right, yet many women and girls lack access to sanitary products. We are proud to partner with Pinky She Foundation in this noble endeavor to ensure that no woman has to compromise her health and dignity due to lack of resources. Our cadets are not only trained to be disciplined and responsible citizens, but also compassionate individuals. This drive reflects our commitment to societal welfare and addressing critical issues like menstrual hygiene.
पीरियड्स आना बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉर्मल बात है, इसमें कोई बात ऐसी नहीं है कि आप शर्माओ.
In the quiet shadows, a whisper stirs, a tale of strength in soft demurs, a cycle ancient, nature's grace, a monthly rhythm, life's embrace. In the dawn of womanhood, whispers low, a need for care, a need to know, to cherish health, to guard with might, to the shine in the day, to the rest at night. Hygiene is a gentle touch, a shield, a way to health, a way to heal. With every pad, a promise kept, a secret safe, a comfort swept. In slums, where whispers are often hushed, a hand extends, a heart that's flushed. With pads to give and knowledge shared, a silent woe to show that we care. No more in shadows, let's break the chain. With pride and strength, dispel the pain. For every girl deserves the right to health, to honor, to sleep at night. So stand together, voices clear. For menstrual hygiene, let's hold dear. A simple act, a profound sight. In every pad, a woman's right. In the realm of menstrual hygiene, NCC cadets stride, taking the helm in the vital ride, empowering women, breaking the veil. Their spirits ignites a powerful trail. With courage and zeal, they stand tall. In this noble cause, they give their all. dispelling myths, spreading awareness wide. Their efforts shine like a beacon's guide. In every pad distributed, in every talk they share, they sow the seeds of change with utmost care. NCC cadets, champions of the drive, in the quest of menstrual health, they thrive. In the heart of urban slums, where the struggle for basic necessities is a daily reality, access to sanitary pads remains a silent challenge for many women. In this documentary, we shed light on the efforts to distribute sanitary pads in these marginalized communities where the lack of access not only poses health risks but also perpetuates social stigma. Through their tireless efforts, sanitary pads are distributed discreetly, preserving the dignity of those receiving them. But the challenges are vast. From limited resources to cultural barriers, every step forward is met with resistance. Yet, amidst the adversity, there is hope. Community leaders, activists, and organizations rally together to break the silence and normalize conversations about menstruation. Education and awareness become a powerful tool in dismantling the stigma and empowering the women to take control of their health and well-being. In the midst of these slums, amidst the hardships and struggles, a silent revolution is underway. One pad at a time, one conversation at a time, the journey towards menstrual equality and dignity marches on. In a world where access to menstrual hygiene products remains a challenge for many, the NCC cadets are a beacon of hope, lighting the way towards a brighter and a more equitable future for all. In the heart of urban centers, where poverty casts a shadow over daily existence, there lies a silent struggle that affects millions of women: access to sanitary pads. In the slums around the world, the simple necessity of sanitary pads often remains out of reach for those who need them the most.